Welcome, everybody. Welcome to this melodic episode of Master Designs. Well, kind of. In this video, we're going to draw the mythical Pokemon Meloetta from Pokemon Black and White's Rival Destinies. Okay, so here's the info on Meloetta. Let me just turn on the singing a little bit. Okay, so Meloetta is known as the Melody Pokemon. She's a normal and psychic type. When Meloetta sings, its voice can control the emotions of people in Pokemon. The beautiful melodies of this mythical Pokemon can bring aching sadness or radiant joy. And we're going to draw her in her aria form. Did I say it right? Yeah, I did. Let's get started. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so Meloetta is from the Unova region. Her signature attacks are Round, Quick Attack, Confusion, Sing, Tear Dance, Acrobatics, Psybeam, Echoed Voice, U-Turn, Wake Up, Slap, Psychic, Hyper Voice, Role Play, Close Combat, and Perish Song. Let's get started. There we go. There's Meloetta's head. Hold on, I feel like the eyes should be... There we go. Now I just draw her hair. Her long, beautiful hair. Now we just draw her hand here. There we go. Now we just draw her speaker here. There we go. There we go. Now here's her hand here. Now for the legs. There we go. There's her legs. And lastly, we just draw the rest of her hair. Make sure it's long and meloetic. I have her in my Pokedex. I even have her card.
I'm waiting here and ready. So cut that out, crying pounds for that. The super tough should power up that fever. We're fighting far, we're movie stars in theaters.
There we go.
All you go through, all you find or abide, sparking courage, it will turn you into a super guy. Clear will, clear mind, open there, everywhere. Feel fine now, I've energy to spare.
And there we go. That's how you draw meloetta. Hold on, forgot to draw the spots here. These are the notes. There we go. That's how you draw meloetta. Awesome, huh? There we go. That's how you draw meloetta. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I finally drew Piplup's girlfriend. Anyways, that's how you draw her. I hope you have an awesome singing voice and a good day. Alexa, what is sing?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Sing Sing Correctional Facility is a maximum security prison operated by the New York State Department of Corrections and Community Supervision in the village of Ossining, New York. It is located about 30 miles north of New York City on the east bank of the Hudson River. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Okay, guys, sorry you had to hear that. I'm sure meloetta didn't have to hear that either. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'd be really excited on what character you guys want me to draw next based on your comments below. So, I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.